Today in Botany B classification we will discuss Artificial System by Carl Linnaeus. Picture of Carl Linnaeus is given. Number 1, Artificial System. The classification system of Carl Linnaeus was based on plant characteristics like floral characteristics. He chiefly used characters of stamens, male part of flower, so his system is also called sexual system. The system is very convenient for the identification of plants. He presented his classification system in 2 books. These books are Species Plantarum and Genera Plantarum. Picture is given. Species Plantarum by Carl Linnaeus. Advantages of Linnaeus system. He was the first to introduce some system of classification. It gave some basic knowledge of classification. It was widely accepted by the taxonomists of that time. It provided a reference work, that is, other researchers can also study it and they got information. He gave clear-cut concept of species. Now, what are the disadvantages of Linnaeus system? Linnaeus declared his system as artificial or temporary. He realized that this system should be changed or must be changed with some natural system. Linnaeus grouped some unrelated plants due to similarity in flower structure. Similarly, he was a religious person, so he opposed or he was against the evolution concept in evolution classification. Scheme of Linnaeus system, very important question. Linnaeus divided the plants into 24 classes. He mostly used the characters of stamens to differentiate between classes. He also used the conditions like what is the shape of thalamus. So what is thalamus? The terminal swollen part of flower which bears stamens, carpels, sepals and petals is called thalamus. Now we will discuss the conditions. That is, Carl Linnaeus used the conditions of perigynous. Thalamus is flattened, flat shaped. Hypogynous, thalamus is conical, cone shaped. Dynamous, it means number of stamens. Filaments fused or not fused, that is, they are united or not. The number of fascicles. Now what are fascicles? Clusters of stem, flowers and leaves is called fascicle. Anther attachment on the filament, presence of male and female flowers. Picture is given. Structure of stamen is shown. There is long filament on which anther is present, in which pollen grains are present. Picture is given. Anther and a long stalk or filament. The classes are, number 1, class Monandria. They have single stamen. Example is Canna. Second class is Diandria. They have 2 stamens, as di means 2. Example is Salva. Class Triandria. They have 3 stamens. Example is Poa. Class Tetrandria. They have 4 stamens, as tetra means 4. Example is Cuscuta. Pentandria. They have 5 stamens. Example is Daucus. Hexandria. They have 6 stamens. Example is Rumex. These are all plants in examples. Class Heptandria. They have 7 stamens. Its example is Aesculus plant. Class Octandria. They have 8 stamens. Example is Sapindus. Anandria. They have 9 stamens. Example is Rhehum. Class Decandria. They have 10 stamens. And its example is Silene. Class Dodecandria. They have 12 to 19 stamens. Its example is Euphorbia. Class Icosandria. They have 20 or more stamens and they have hypogynous condition. Hypogynous means thalamus is cone shaped or conical shaped. Example is cactus. 13th class is Polyandria. They have 20 or more stamens and condition is hypogynous, that is thalamus is conical. Its example is Ranunculus plant. 14th class is Didynamia. They have didynamous stamens. Didynamous means stamens are 4 in number placed or disposed in pairs of unequal length. Example is Bignonia. Picture is given, that is to explain you the condition of Didynemus. Stamens 4 in number. 15 classes Tetradynamia. They have Tetradynamis. Stamens are 6 in number. Example is Trifolium. 16th class is Monodelphia. They have fused filament with one fascicle. Once again I am telling you what are fascicles. Clusters of stem, flowers and leaves. Example is Sida. It's a plant. 17th class Diadelphia. They have fused filament with two fascicles. Its example is Polygala plant. 18th class Polydelphia. Their stamens are fused or united with several fascicles. Example is citrus. Now what are fascicles? A fascicle is a bundle or cluster of flowers or leaves growing crowded together. See the picture. 19th class Syngensia. They have anther connate. What is meant by connate? When organs are well separated, not connected with each other. Its example is viola. Image is shown. 20th class is Gynandria. Their stamens are fused to the pistils. That is, male part is fused or united to the female part. Example is Orchis. Class Monaceae. They have male and female flowers on the same plant. Example is Betula. Class Dicea. They have male and female flowers on different plants. Example is Najas. Class Polygamia. Their flowers are polygamous. What is polygamous? They are explaining if a plant has staminate, that is stamen, pistillate, pistil, hermaphrodite, bisexual flowers, two sexes, then it is said to be polygamous. Example is Pogon plant. Cryptogamia. Flowers are absent or they are not clearly visible, non-apparent. Example is Fucus, and image of Fucus is shown.